Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Cloud IAM for service accounts, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Cloud console. Sign in using your Google account associated with your Google Cloud project. Locate the project for which you want to create a service account. In the left-hand menu, click on IAM and Admin. From the drop-down, select Service Accounts. Click on the plus Create Service Account button at the top. Provide a name for your service account in the designated field. Add an optional description to help identify the service account's purpose. Click Create and continue to proceed. Now, you will assign roles to your service account. Select the appropriate roles from the available list based on your project needs. You can search for specific roles using the search bar. Once you have selected the roles, click Continue. Next, you can grant users access to this service account if necessary. If you don't need to add users, simply click Done. You should now see your newly created service account listed. To authorize the service account, click on the pencil icon to edit it. Navigate to the Keys tab. Click on Add Key and choose JSON for the key type. A JSON key file will automatically download to your computer. This file contains all the credentials to authenticate your service account. Keep this file secure as it grants access to your Google Cloud resources. To use the service account, incorporate the downloaded JSON key into your application. Use an appropriate library depending on your programming language to authenticate. Set the environment variable pointing to your JSON key file. Now, you are ready to make authorized API calls using the service account. Ensure that you monitor any permissions and roles assigned to maintain security. Regularly review and rotate your keys for enhanced protection. With these steps completed, your service account is fully authorized with Google Cloud IAM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.